Waiting for the stream to start. I should watch it on this, though. This might be easier. Can never figure out how to actually watch my own stream on iOS. So just go to YouTube? Do I go to Studio? Do I go to Capture? Which one is it? Enable the... It's annoying. Which one is it? Trying to figure out how to... Oops. Watch... How did I do this the other day? There's all these different YouTube apps, and none of them actually do what I want. But it looks like I'm streaming here if I check the Mac. Right now the PC is occupied. You can't hear anything though. Because the Bluetooth is notoriously unreliable. Oh, there it goes. I think it's working. I don't know if the volume is low. But anyway, good morning. It's Thursday, January something, 26. And this is my morning What's Up Dave stream. And actually have a few things to share first. Because we'll get the fun stuff out of the way. First is I tried reheating a pizza. And let me show you what it looks like. Apparently there's more of an art to reheating pizzas. I usually don't reheat them, so this was kind of new to me. Yeah, that doesn't look... This is the pizza that I made yesterday when I was doing my JavaScript stuff. Is it edible? Still tastes okay. A little crispy. Oh, great. Now I have... Got grease all over me. Ah, okay. I'll be right back. I'm just getting a napkin. So there's that. I also got my aluminum tape, and for the Dymo-mite label maker, this thing, which is a metal tape embosser. It's like the heavy-duty industrial version of the Dymos that have the embossed. I can't find my... reorganize my setup here. But it's the industrial strength version of that. Now here's an example of what it looks like. I labeled my rolls multiple output amp thing. You can see that. Look at that. So it looks like retro and hardcore. Because that's how we do things here. Hardcore. So anyway, I was going to try loading this thing. I have no idea how it works. I guess I can just advance it out. Makes a cool clicking noise. This was like the sample tape that was in it. And like there's this thing that opens here. This was made in 1960. Lovely piece of work. And I was told that this thing springs out when you take the tape off, so to be careful about that. How do you do it though? Okay, there's a little bit of scotch of masking tape that's holding the whole thing together. Maybe I should put it in here first so it doesn't jump out at me. This feels like an accident ready to happen. That's double. Nope, heck, here we go. Oh. Hope it doesn't cut. I don't get cut on this. Oh, that was a mistake. They make stainless steel tape too. Nope, it started to go on me. Which apparently is really sharp, so you have to be careful about using it because you'll cut yourself. This is supposed to be adhesive on one side, but it doesn't really look like it. Stick that in there. Yep, unfurled. That wasn't so bad. So then I run the edge through this way somehow. Doesn't look like it's going to kill me if I take this out. Is it adhesive on this? It looks like something's there. It doesn't look like I got the right one though. Well, maybe it is. Let's run this. Let's see if I can run this into it. There's a channel underneath of it. And let's see, just put it over here. And click advance it. Yeah, that just grabs hold. It's advancing. There it goes. Let me do this. Let's see if I can stamp my name in this. D A. This thing feels really good. E V E. And advance it by half clicking. And then cut it by pushing up like this. Looking at the focus. Focus! Because it's going to have trouble focusing on this because this camera uses contrast detection, so I need to put on something contrasty. Here we go. So there we go. Metal embossed tape. Now the trick is to see if this is actually the adhesive one. I ordered the adhesive one. I don't know if I can. Oh, it is adhesive. This does peel off. It just takes. Soft aluminum. That's supposed to hold up pretty well. I don't know if it'll stick to this. No, it won't. Probably need more industrial strength adhesive glue. I can put it on the bottom of this. I haven't cleaned it though. You know, you can also like punch holes in it and attach it that way, but this is still pretty cool. So that's one of the show and tell things. I'll throw this away. This away. Another thing I got was I've been interested in filing. Since I have all these ETP forms piling up, what I want to do is keep them someplace. And so, like I was talking to someone in the Discord co-working chat room, and someone was talking about how they use inboxes and hanging files. I never was very good at inboxes, but I figured I could get one of these things. This is nice. This is like an acrylic hanging file holder. I have one of the hanging files that has like the past ETPs for this week. And I'm thinking of just making like I'm not sure how I'm going to organize this, but just to keep track of bills and stuff like that. I might make a few of these that just hold like a month's worth of paper generated. So I need 12 of them, and then plus a few other slush folders, one for the ETPs, another one for, I don't know. So we'll see what ends up happening with this. The nice thing about this is it fits in the cubby holes of my calyx. Where did I put that one? So I'm putting that one there. And because the handles are on it, it can slide in like that and stay out of the way. And so that's pretty much it for now. I did need to find space to put away some of this other stationary stuff, which means going back into the basement and doing that. And then another project I have going on is actually on the PC, which is blank right now. But I installed some new video drivers for my AMD R9 290, and it has a software called Relive. I mentioned this the other day, I think. So here I'm playing a game, and what it allows you to do is, let's see if we can get this up closer. Is that not so close? You can't see it though. A little bit higher. All right, so there's my screen. And what I'm doing is pulling up there's a toolbar that came up at the bottom there. I don't know if you can see it. But it allows you to record and stream live, and it actually works pretty well. I did a few stream tests the other day, but the recording actually records really well without impact on frame rate. So what I'm thinking of doing is making some videos as if I'm talking, well, kind of an extension of what I'm doing here with the What's Up Dave, just like talking to my friends, basically. It's kind of like a daily catch-up of what's going on. Just kind of maintain the continuity, you know? But I think the take I'm going to take, rather than like just kind of play the game, is just try to convince my friends why they should be playing this game with me. So I'm thinking about trying to get my friend Dom to try this game out. He's been trying to get me to play Rainbow Six Siege again, but I've been kind of like avoiding it because it stresses me out. Although this game is similar in that you're shooting a lot of bad guys. It's somehow more relaxing because it's player versus environment instead of player versus player. And I realized this the other day, I can actually play the support role of this game. Ordinarily, I don't like doing the support role in real life, but I don't mind doing it in games. And I like doing it in a team-based environment rather than a competitive, versus environment. And so one thing I've been working on today, so like I'm going to record this, and this recording now to disk. I don't think it's recording audio yet. So you can, I lost my cursor now. Oh, okay, so, and then the settings, I can turn on the camera or turn off the camera. The camera's now off. Indicators on, instant replay, record desktop. The microphone is off now? Now it's on. But, so it's recording now. And, oops, let's see if I can actually make this run. These are my various characters. This is Grandma. This is Aunt Peggy. This is Random Dude with Hat. I basically have been making a new character every time new friends play. So this is a lower level character. We started with my cousin John, with my cousins in California. This is one I started with the other cousins. This is the one I was using when I was just checking out the game. My traditional first character in any of these games usually has a ponytail. And it's kind of a good luck thing. I don't know. I just like ponytails. Not having hair, I live vicariously through these online characters. But you can start up the game. What I just want to do is just quickly record something here. Focus. And then I can bring it over to the Macintosh and see and show how I can bring it into Premiere. And it's even worse, is it loading? Well, while that's going on, let's see what's going on over here. You might as well just look at my I should check there's nothing going on YouTube, it looks like. Let's take a look at my ETP farms. Oh, I think they might be down for maintenance. They might be down, so maybe this is not going to work. But actually, this is probably good enough just to test. You don't actually need... Oh, wait, it's going. Something's happening. Ah, it loaded. Alright, so I'm allegedly recording. So if I turn on the camera's on. The microphone should be on still. The camera's off. Oh wait, I'm just moving in different positions. Now it's off. And you can like... Frame rate is good. This is recording allegedly 1080p at... oops. At 60 frames a second. And for some reason my monitor is not refreshing at the rate it's supposed to refresh at. It's stuck at 60. That's set, so it must be a driver reset. The driver must have reset, which is annoying. Probably because I changed my monitor configuration. But how can I switch back out of that? Go to this, and then I can go over here. I can open up the Radeon settings here, and make sure that it is FreeSync is on. So why is it not running at higher frame rate? It's just locked at 60. Well, that's dumb. Why would it do that? The whole point is to have high refresh. Let's just try resetting this. Well, it's locked at 60 for some reason. Maybe it locks it at 60 just for recording. And it looks pretty smooth. No, it's blurring. Anyway, stop recording. Recording is saved. Now if I go over to the Mac side of things, I should be able to connect to this computer. Yeah, and so in the working folder, streaming, relive, I should be able to play this. Drag it to this monitor, and is it playing? So this is actually what I'm playing back here. And let's see, just see what it looks like on the screen. And the color isn't as good, but it's actually doesn't look too bad. And so I can actually then load this into Premiere. Let me quit from this. I should be able to load it into Premiere. Let's just see if that works. Premiere. Loading on the wrong screen. Which is weird. It should be loading on... No, I guess I didn't set that. It should be on the second desktop. That's alarming. So did it load or not? So new project. New project. Blah. They changed stuff from Premiere, so they're just no longer working the way I used to. The media browser, network drives, working video, streaming, here live. Let's see if we can open this. And it seems to be in here. There's no sequences. I should be able to drag this here. I said I should be able to drag that there. Why can't I drop the media there? In assembly mode. Do I need to import it first? How come I'm not seeing my... There used to be this thing called a media bin, but I don't see it anymore. Media, just a media browser. Audio clip mixer. I don't know what they did. This is all messed up. I'll just see if they've changed some stuff. Do I have to ingest it? Does it just... I don't remember what this stuff does. But how come I can't just drag it onto this? That is super annoying. Drop media here to create sequence. It won't let me do it. Oops. I just accidentally closed it. I don't know what's going on. Workspaces. All panels. This is the media browser. For some reason I can't make a sequence. It's so weird. Maybe because I can't write to this directory. That might be why. Anyway, so theoretically I can bring it into Premiere and then like you edit this into something. So that's kind of a project for some future time. Yeah, I don't think I was able to actually create the project files, so that's probably why it died. Let's close this thing. Quit game, yes. I'm going to look into that, why the frame rate isn't working there. Maybe it's because I enabled DirectX 12. That's odd. Did I lock, was it VSync on? That might have, no. Anyway, so let's get down to reviewing the day now. So what we got going on. Get this stuff out of the way. And here's our form for the day. Or this is yesterday's form. So what I got done. Actually, cam split. Trying this. I never thought about using the camera like this. So this is yesterday's. Actually, yesterday was a pretty good day. I did finish my code review stuff. I got a whole bunch of annoying tasks out of the way in the morning. Just like getting my passport photo taken, which is the worst passport photo ever. Took out a bunch of trash, confirmed some doctor stuff, paid taxes, did a pharmacy run. The doctor's office did not call in my prescription, so I had to go again. Yeah, I didn't go to the gym or go to the locksmith, but a significant number of annoying tasks were put out of the way. And so today, let's see, I guess I'm streaming now. Started around 10. What time is it now? It's 10:41 already. So that's the What's Up, Dave. That's always the first project. Then what do I want to do today? Today's code feature is adding replay to, or add the new display features to particles. So I'll stream that later, probably. And is there anything I want to... Let me just write down the stuff from yesterday. Sample 4x6 search. Maybe locksmith, maybe gym. I'm still not sure what to do for my gym routine, because I wake up at irregular times. Is there anything else that I need to be concerned about? What I'm going to do is, at the beginning of the week, I wrote down the list of stuff that I want to keep track of. So this is my reference. Schedule a meeting with new physician. That's done. I did download the Q4 numbers for the accountant, or started to. I should review the accountant procedure that I wrote up. Data gather procedure. I did that. I need to fill out a yield form. And then I still need to refill prescriptions. I need to think about having my breaks looked at again. I don't think they did them right. But it's like a That's like a half-day inconvenience thing. Break re-inspection. Then there may be some... I should schedule something fun today. In the evenings, generally I'm playing games, so that's kind of I'm kind of looking forward to now. And I don't usually have anything to look forward to, other than eating things, which makes me fat. I try not to do that anymore. I don't know. Let's see if we can get 2 code sections. I'll time block this for an hour. Something in between there. Maybe I'll look at the basement, try cleaning it up a bit. Oh, I need to do laundry today. Let's put that down here. Laundry. Basement. You know, maybe the major thing after doing the code. Let's go to the gym. That will be my stretch goal for the day. And it'll be somewhere in here. But what I want to do first is... Let's time block this for another hour. Let's time block the basement for 30 minutes. And so these little time block bits should hopefully be the catalyst for me doing more work. Because it seems once I start, it's fine. It's just the starting part that it's difficult for me to initiate. That's where I really had to actually focus. But since I got a lot of chores done yesterday, I'm finding my mind is a little clearer today. And so I think it's just the weight of having all these things to do, which leads to some of that paralysis feeling, or feeling of mopiness, like, oh, I had to do all this stuff. But okay, so that's kind of the opening plan for today. I guess that's it for now. I'm gonna, eat that rest of the pizza. I'm going to make some coffee. Then I'm gonna start doing the stream stuff. So that's my plan. And I guess that's, well, okay, but then the last thing I should do is actually update, make sure my Quiver notebook is up to date. Sometimes I forget to do this. It's not good. See, I didn't even update January, so January 25, Wednesday. So what did I do yesterday? Use my sheet, refer to it. Yeah, no, it's the wrong sheet. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, let's see. I got, there's a Dr. Octopus to ask about primary care changes. Got script, got passport photos, taken, paid taxes, prop taxes. What was the other annoying thing I did? Oh, took out trash. That's recycling. I do need to do a Goodwill run at some point. What else is this? Transfer photos, did code review completion, documentation. So that was that. Today, January 26th, Thursday. What do we have planned for today? I already forgot. Add display stuff to particles. Visit the gym. I'll time block that for 15 minutes. visiting the gym, laundry, basement, prog push. So, I guess that's what I want to do today. Take a look at this, see if I did updated Wednesday, finished code review, added docs to issues, dev tip docs to issues, and wiki, React, Redux, cheat sheet. Alright, okay, so I've captured some of my weekly status, and I guess, you know, these ETPs are actually working out. I am going to make a version of this, though, that gives me more room to write what's going on, and to minimize the task list. I'm finding I'm not doing the time tracking on this anyway. I think some people like them. If there's a way I could maybe work them into the actual line itself, that might work, because then you could write more. That could be pretty hot. That could be super hot. I can sort of see how it might work. Yes. Yes. All right. Okay. So that's it for now. That's today's What's Up, Dave. Just kind of a regular week. Feeling pretty good though at getting stuff done. So hopefully you're having the same. If not, maybe next week will be better. It's always tomorrow, right? So talk to you later. I'll be streaming my JavaScript stuff probably sometime before noon.